Hey everyone, is TreeSize free stuck while scanning, or maybe it isn't scanning your drive at all? Don't worry. This issue can happen for several reasons, including permission problems, disconnected drives, or software conflicts. In this guide, I'll show you several proven fixes to get TreeSize free scanning again. So let's jump right in. First, make sure the drive or folder you're trying to scan is actually available. Open File Explorer and confirm you can access it normally. If it's an external drive, check that it's properly connected and recognized by Windows before trying another scan. Next, close TreeSize free if it's already open. Then right-click the shortcut and select Run as administrator. Administrator permissions allow TreeSize to access protected folders that may otherwise be skipped or cause scanning problems. Once TreeSize free opens, click Select Directory and choose the drive again instead of relying on a previous scan. Sometimes simply refreshing the selection is enough to restart the scan correctly. If the scan still doesn't complete, check whether your computer is low on memory or heavily using the processor. I mean, very large drives with millions of files can take time to analyze, especially on older computers. Give the scan a few extra minutes before assuming it's frozen. If the issue continues, uninstall TreeSize free from Windows settings and install the latest version from the official Jam software website. Reinstalling can replace damaged program files and fix problems caused by incomplete updates. If TreeSize free still won't scan, the problem could be with the drive itself. Open the drive's properties, go to the Tools tab, and run Windows' built-in error checking utility. If Windows detects file system errors, repair them first, then try scanning again, and that's it. These troubleshooting steps solve most TreeSize free scanning problems. If the issue still continues, test the software on a different drive or check the official support resources for additional help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.